What's up, everybody? Stay ready here. Super exciting news. We got this giveaway going on. You're not going to want to miss it, I promise you. And no gimmicks, no games, no bullshit. I've got a Creality K1 Max, and then I've got a Samsung Odyssey G7 Neo, which is a 4K curved gaming monitor. Super sick, 165 hertz monitor. It's actually what I run, and it's right there in the middle. It's my daily driver. I love it. I've got another one brand new in the box for you guys, as well as the K1 Max. I'm going to be giving them away. So there's going to be two giveaways. So the initial giveaway, you will be able to choose which one you want to enter. So all you need to do is be subscribed, and then you'll need to comment on this video. You need to comment Creality K1 Max, or you'll comment Samsung Odyssey. That will be your entry. And if you win, then depending on what your comment was, then that'll determine which one you win. So that drawing will be held on July the 4th. And so at that moment, somebody's going to win one of these machines. And so then we'll do another drawing. And when I do that drawing, I announce the second drawing. You will need to re-enter. So just because you entered the first one does not mean you're going to be entered for the second one. Because in the second one, I don't know what item's going to be left, but whatever it is, it's going. And what you'll need to do to enter for that one after July 4th, you cannot enter until after we do the first drawing for the second one. So what you'll need to do to enter for that, same thing. You need to be subscribed. And then in the comments on that video, you'll need to comment down below, and you'll need to comment "Stay Ready." And that the channel name, you'll just put "Stay Ready" down in the comments, and that will be your entry for the second drawing. And I'll get whoever wins, I'll get it shipped out to you, and you can start 3D printing along with me, and or you can start gaming just like I do on that bad boy. So I like to game. I love that monitor. I will be going to an OLED here soon, so I might even give this one away. I don't know. Right now I'm giving the brand new one away because I was gonna just go ahead and do all curved screens. I decided against it because man, these OLEDs, dude, they're sick. So I'm like, man, I'm just gonna give it away. Same thing with the K1. You guys, come on. I need, I'm new here, so I don't have a lot of followers. I'm trying to get people looking, saying, hey, who is this guy? I'm putting out stuff as I can, and most of my stuff is just, aimed towards 3D printing, AI, tech stuff, anything like that. I'm not going to pin myself down to one niche, but hey. So anyways, you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, and get entered for this first drawing. You don't want to miss it, man.